Hey guys, Barry here. Today I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam on Jake's account. Barry, are you playing on my account? No. Okay. Anyways, so I am Pi with Jake's friend right now, and sorry if you can hear me just randomly, Ugh. Seriously? Oh yeah, and I also made myself this character. Anyways, I don't know why, but like, seriously? Seriously? Come on. Do. I also have betas. See? Beta. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I just have, like, betas from the beta party that aren't really betas. Hi. You said nothing!
I'm gonna go downstairs. Get some
Man, what? Ginger beard wings. What? Big red dot. Change. Yeah, okay, anyways. So. I don't know if this can hear me at all. Do. Anyway. Come on. Pinkie Pie, Pinkie. Okay, first of all, I don't want that, and I don't want that. Change all, but which mask? So she's getting closer, but getting scared. Always. OMG. She made a video.
Hey guys,
Did she make this today?
Ram and I'm her agent
Oh,
here, and today I will be discussing the updates that came in Animal Jam today. And I just gotta say, they're pretty epic. And I'm here with Mystic Buddy here, she's awesome. And yeah, let's get right into the updates. I already read them. National Honeybee Day. Yeah, okay, you guys could read that in your head, because I read bad out loud. Then
I read bad out loud.
Voted the movie theater.
Yeah!
I don't know, I just like the movie theater. The beta
Okay,
party.
then she screams a lot. That's why she's my favorite.
I have to go to the beta party. It's the best ever. Snow leopards are coming soon. We'll be returning.
LOL.
And it just talks about the ferret there, and I'm just so excited. Okay, when's the beta party? Right now it's jam season. 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'll probably be gone by then. Oh well, I'm so excited. And have you noticed that
I'm probably gonna say that.
now the handwriting, like, in there is kind of, like, it's neater.
What? No, it's not. It was just like.
Okay, what do I do?
I miss my buddies. Oh
and
my
the
goodness.
handwriting when you type is
My buddy. She looks exactly like my animal, but
I'm just
definitely
gonna
not.
type hi.
Which mask?
I'm loving these new updates, but I kind of miss like the old handwriting, and in this, but oh well.
Jamma Phantom. I spelled Phantom wrong. Phantom.
Smiley face.
Face Jamma.
I'm so excited. When the snow leopards come, I'm gonna get one. Even if I barely have.
She's getting really close.
All I have 0 of them. I'm gonna try to get some.
I'm gonna get ready to say change.
I'm so happy. But I don't know.
Oh, it's already 3 minutes. You're doing good.
So those are like all the updates for today, and make sure
I spelled change wrong.
Wait, okay. I say that, and I have one more thing to say.
Let's see.
Okay, wait. Why is my face purple? Why is my face purple?
Why is my face purple?
Okay, that was not supposed to be there. Okay.
Ooh, good kill. These things are really like hard to do.
Why is the stool on my trade?
She did really good.
Okay, anyways guys, that's all for this video, and please give me video suggestions because I have no video suggestions. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Really
Bye.
It's really hard. Bye. Then shoot. I'm not ready. Free beta account. Okay. Yep.
No matter what size your business, Extiva Optics is
Get out of my face. I don't care.
every plan. Extiva's
Doria scanning. Hey, Jammer. Hi. Bam. Okay. Oh my goodness, I have that already. She is really. Oh. One. What they heard. Shake your match, breaker. Give it love to the world. So yeah, guys, I will be right back. My bad, I just X'd out of Animal Jam. My bad. Sorry, my bad. That's a black wristband. Seriously, I have that. Oh my goodness, someone's here. Again. Goodness. Stay packing. I did. Ha. 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 Dang it. There you go. If you want. But anyway, don't ask. I'm not going to do this, but I'm just. This is their first video. Oh my goodness, now just do it. 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 And now you wait. And now you wait again. Okay, anyway. Same. It's fake. Change rainbow thing. There. Oh my goodness!
Yo guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I have this awesome new generator, and I'm even gonna try to put you guys a video, and I'm gonna pull it up right now. So here it is.
Do I really care?
I'm on my other account, so let's go ahead and type in.
Hi. I don't know. I was going to try and call her again, but now it's turned into. I'm also recording. Say hi, guys. It actually works. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna share my screen and tell me if I should accept this. Oh shoot. Hold on. She's going to try and trade it again. No, it's for my blue. It's for my rare big bow. She's trading really good, and I have no idea if I should change or not. So I'm asking you guys if I should accept or not. Anyways, I know. Should I accept this? You don't? It's a. Should I? Oh yeah. Yay! Thank you. You will. And again. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed my video that I made, and yeah. Bye, guys.